truck. It's got a really cool patina paint job on it. Custom interior. It's been fully redone. It's an absolutely incredible truck. Handles really well. It's got plenty of get up and go. Stops super good. Once we get around this stop sign, I'll show you how good she can get up and go. And then also how good she can stop too. Truck, as you can see, stops super well, handles super good. It's a great driver, great cruiser. As you'll see in the picture, she's real pretty. She sits pretty low. But once again, we're in a 1978 C10 pickup out here in Dallas. Come check it out.